Previously in our last episode...
Vagina.
Boring! And just ahead...
It's Halloween.
Bitch.
OG Creations is filmed before a live studio audience of 2 cats and a few bats. G here from OG Creations. That's right, there's only 7 days until the most magical time of the year.
Oh.
It's Halloween.
Bitch.
And there's only one item left needed in our potion for a frightfully fun Halloween season.
Extraterrestrial. Sought and called a
Bitch.
troublesome trio who haunt and hitch.
Beware of hitchhiking ghosts.
Sisters of 3, thought of as witch.
Goodbye.
Sweet confection, you ought to pitch.
This week, we gaze into the future. One where a little girl from Bodega Bay can become an astronaut. Androids run on milk, and probably how some of your Halloween evenings are going to end. And you'll think twice about eating spaghetti. I came across this reproduction of the original Alien t-shirt from that 1979 film and thought it would be the perfect ending for this year's Halloween collection. So strap in for another reverse dye. But hey, if you're gonna OD on reverse dyes, it should probably be during Halloween, right?
Gay PSA, take 1.
This is your sexy hung alien Jimbro engineer. Then your sexy hung alien Jimbro engineer released an extremely potent and virulent mutagenic pathogen, consisting of millions of small microorganisms into the water supply. Now your sexy hung alien Jimbro engineer is an acid-blooded bean-headed multi-mouthed auto shop experiment. Don't do black goo.
Before we get started, I humbly ask that if you like this video, please hit the like button, leave a comment or 2, and subscribe to my channel. The YouTube algorithm is infuriating. And unless you already have hundreds of thousands of followers, you really aren't suggested to new viewers as easily.
What are you waiting for?
Can no one find nude photos of me on the internet?
Views.
Your help will be greatly
Man next
appreciated.
to me is the one I want. You asked me, I'm answering. Yes, I love that man of
With
mine.
that said, let's get started. I'm starting with a slightly damp black 100% cotton men's t-shirt printed with the alien logo from Old Navy. Starting at the center, I gather the material and secure it with a rubber band. I then move down a bit and secure it again and again and again and again. Once the shirt is completed, I place it on my dye rack. Using 2 parts hot water, 1 part liquid bleach, I cover the entirety of the shirt in the solution. I allow that to process for about 10-15 minutes before letting that soak in a 10 parts water, 1 part peroxide solution for another 20 minutes. I then rinse the shirts in cold water before letting them soak in a soda ash bath for 25 minutes and then setting them aside for 24 hours until they were practically dry. Let's start adding those poisonous shades. Moss green. Avocado, Lime Pop, I allowed that to process for a few hours before turning the shirts over and applying more dye before setting them aside for 48 hours and letting them process in a 70-degree space. They were rinsed in cold water, and then I slowly increased the temperature to hot to ensure that all the soda ash has been removed. They were then ran through the laundry using a cold water cycle and then a hot water cycle. After being dried, ironed, and placed into inventory, I've added them to my Etsy store, ready to purchase. You can get these and all similar items by clicking the link above or by visiting ogcreationstore.etsy.com. These greens seem to be radiating off the shirt. And for anyone who appreciates a matching set, I have created these in a brief and thong. Thank you so much for watching. Stay safe, and I hope your Halloween is out of this world. Get it? Out of this world. Alien. The whole, yeah. See you next time.